Forget everything you knew about the roar of a Bugatti. We're about to scream past 9,000 RPM in the world's first naturally aspirated V16 hypercar, and I've got the keys. Roll out in electric mode first, and it's eerily silent. Just this 25 kilowatt-hour pack humming along. Nothing like the ghost of the quad-turbo W16 Chiron this thing replaced. Walk around it with me. No turbos means no plumbing, which means Bugatti could carve this narrow, aggressive rear diffuser that pulls air like a vacuum. Slide inside and you're staring at an analog, Swiss-horology instrument cluster, not a screen. It centers you, it builds anticipation. Now fire it up. Cosworth hand-built this 8.3-liter V16, and without turbos muffling anything, every vibration hits raw, straight through your spine. Bury the throttle and there's zero hesitation, just an instant, climbing surge all the way to that insane 9,000 RPM redline. The sound transforms as you climb, from a deep growl down low into a high-pitched mechanical scream up top. It's a full symphony, not one note. But this isn't just the engine putting on a show. 3 electric motors are hiding underneath, throwing down 800 horsepower combined, and they erase the torque dip that usually plagues high-revving engines like this. Push through some tight apexes and you feel front axle torque vectoring quietly tucking the nose in, making this hypercar feel smaller than it is. Then as you climb toward triple-digit speeds, the electric torque fades out, and the V16 seamlessly takes over the heavy lifting. Open it up on a high-speed circuit and 1,800 horsepower feels completely different without forced induction. It's a relentless building wave instead of a turbo punch. And somehow, despite the hybrid hardware, Bugatti kept this lighter than the Chiron, largely thanks to new 3D printed suspension components. Hit the brakes and you feel region quietly recharging the battery, prepping everything for the next explosive exit. So where does that leave us? Against today's silent electric hypercars, the Tourbillon feels rebellious, full of soul. This V16 platform proves Bugatti can finally step away from its old Volkswagen-era engine architecture without losing what made the brand special. Is this nostalgia or the blueprint for the future of internal combustion? After driving it, I'm calling it the blueprint. 9,000 RPM, 1,800 horsepower, 0 turbos, and an argument for gasoline that's impossible to ignore.